Hi Kinjalk, welcome to C2X forum. Can you please tell us a bit about yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Kinjalk Shukla from PGDIE 50. I am originally from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I did my graduation in 2017 from NITIE Raipur in electrical domain, and I have no work sick. I'm a fresher. I did my internship with Kimberly-Clark's GDDC, which is Global Digital Technology Center at Bangalore.
What was the project outline at Kimberly-Clark?
So like my profile was IT program management. My friends were also given digital supply chain procurement. My project particularly, there were two projects. One was the comparative analysis of different FMCGs on what are the strategies in digital domain. So they would be actually analyzing what was the digital that would be implemented in different FMCGs. The other project was the financial dashboard to understand where we are at and where we want to be next 5 years.
That's great. What were the main challenges you faced and how did you overcome it?
So basically, like I discussed, my one project was comparative analysis of FMCGs. One of the basic things was because I wanted a particular domain and expertise, I not only had to contact people who were in that domain, it was also like who were going through our phase. Like if we were in phase X, we wanted the company also to be in phase X and the person knowledgeable enough. So I think one of the things was, contacting people, creating networks, and because of course COVID was there, so there was something in my family also, and the managers were busy, they were out for COVID, and they were the chaos was so much. I think just having that time and exploring was one of the difficult things.
That's good. How supportive were people at Kimberly-Clark during your internship?
So like I'll start with an example so you'll better understand. Like one of the days my manager just rang me up and told me that there is a meeting going on and he thought it will help me out. Now the meeting was nowhere near my domain or anything near my project, but they just wanted me to see like what was happening, how the company was performing, what was the direction we went in, and what are the tools they were exploring. So this example just shows they wanted me to develop rather than having me do one domain. They wanted me to develop, mentor me. Apart from that, I think I was included in almost every meetings. I was treated as an employee and I was given like so much support. I could explore other things, have other programs. So the team was very, very supportive.
Tell us about that one X factor that helped you convert PPO.
So for me, I think persistence was one of the keys. If I even had a problem like in personal life or in project, I did not give up. I kept on asking questions, I kept on studying and asking them how I could do better. So I think one of the X factors was definitely persistence. Secondly, because I was very used to case studies, I had a method to know how to proceed with research and then implement it, then practical ways, and finally I could see the way forward. So I think case studies also helped me a bit there.
Technical prerequisites one should know before joining the internship.
So for me particularly, like IT program management involved Power BI and Excel. For others, it was also some needed Python. So I think if you have basics covered like R, Python, Excel, Power BI, like I know Tableau also, but might not be useful for other organizations. So I think these are pretty normal things. Other than that, I would just say have contact with your seniors and ask for tools. Don't go very deep in any tool. You have to anyway learn it during the internship.
That's cool. What were the key takeaways from your internship experience?
I was really proud of the fact that I was able to utilize my time really well. I was able to do my project of course, but I was able to gain knowledge in other domains as well. I was able to connect with so many people. Like we had some from our college, but from other colleges, other managers, some international clients. So overall, I think apart from the project and knowledge, the networking and the communication was something I really, excited about that I got it.
What was your reaction when you got to know that you have been offered a PPO?
So of course I was really happy about it, and I was already in CC, I was there at college. So I had to call home and everything. It was an emotional time, but I was really happy about it.
And finally, what would be a piece of advice from your side to the junior batch?
Actually, I would segment my advice in two domains. Firstly, I would request you before internships, just reach out to seniors and ask them about their projects. Like, do not expect similar projects, that won't happen, but you'll know what is going on in the organization. And because just immediate seniors have been there, 1 year would actually be you'll be able to understand what is the graduation it has been working. For second, during internships, accept what you get. Do not see what happens is, if our friends are getting something which is very attractive or something like that, you may always feel that I'm getting a very basic project. Do not think like that. One thing is, every project is important. Secondly, you have to understand how you innovate it. So do not think like project is what it is. You have to do your best and try for that.
That's great. Thank you, Kinjalk from C2X Forum, for giving your time and providing your valuable insights.
Thank you. All the best, guys.